Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to use the Your Size Finder function on the About You application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone, then tap on the profile icon down below, which is the last option. Now scroll down till you find Your Size Finder section in the middle of the screen. Tap on it. Now you need to fill in these general information concerning your body. You should tap on the relevant one that you would like to change or add data. How tall are you? You need to answer this question, just simply typing in the relevant answer, and then tap the button Submit. You need to describe the shape of your stomach, for example, so just tap on the relevant one, describe the shape of your hips, and tap the button Submit. You can also skip steps if you have already answered them or you don't feel like answering them. If you are ready with these information will be saved, and you can find them here at this section, so you can change them anytime you want to, thereby making it easier to shop according to your body type. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.